I stumbled upon a variation of the Fibonacci spiral, and let me show you how it works. So you start out with a single square, add another 1 unit, then 2, and then you can add the third like normal, and you could keep doing this 5, 8, 13 and make a normal Fibonacci spiral, but in this case we're going to do a mirror image, so each time we're going to reverse and build out into this northwest direction. And so we'll reverse again and go 3, 5, that's 8. And we can even go to 13, I think. Not quite. Anyway, so we have this Fibonacci spiral going out in one direction, and now we can duplicate that 4 times since it's only filling out that corner. And so add 4 more, and then you can block out each of these to make the pinwheel pattern. Then it's fairly simple to just add each unit block around. So there's the 2, here's the 3, am I doing this wrong? The 5, eight, and you could continue on with the 13s. Again, we're filling out the whole quadrant with these. In this case, we can draw the whole thing. And this is about all we need to demonstrate the sequence. Now in black, I'm going to show that there's a spiral sequence available in 2 directions. So first off, we go from the center of this outer 1 unit square to the center of the 2, to the center of the 3, to the center of the next 5, to the center of this 8, and then we could even go to the center of this 13, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7th one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so it would be the center of the 13 there. And what we have here is just a good old spiral. And furthermore, we can do that again in each of these 4 directions. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. So 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's the 13th one. And just draw that guy out. I'm going freehand, so it's not exact, but as you see, it's these 4 spirals are going to include the center points of every single cell in the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 again. This 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're doing this kind of a spiral galaxy move. Eight, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 13. So we've got these points drawn with the four-armed spiral galaxy, and I'm not sure how these converge mathematically. They might. I haven't figured out how to resolve that. Now our opposite I can do in blue, and those will start from the center of these four, and again we're going to count out 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. So let's see if I can get this right the first time here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. And once again, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. Again, encompassing each of the centers of all of the squares out to infinity without leaving a single gap in the block structure. And the final one of these, 2, 3, 5, 8, and 13. You could maybe watercolor that, make a mandala of it. I did a little bit of research and couldn't find an example of this. If any of you sacred geometry or even profane geometry nerds out there can find an example of prior art with this double reverse 4-quadrant Fibonacci 8 spiral pattern, I'd love to see it and see art based on it. Jambots.com.